Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin with essentials. Charge the Lokmat Watch above 20% and turn it on. Make sure Bluetooth on your phone is active. Open the Lokmat Companion app you installed and allow required permissions, Bluetooth and location, because the app needs both to discover the device. Once done, select Add Device in the app. The watch should show a pairing code. You must follow on-screen prompts. This establishes the initial secure link between phone and watch. Once the app displays a code, compare it to the code on the watch and tap Confirm. You are authorizing the connection. After pairing, go to App Settings to enable notifications, contacts, and health data sync. These options let the watch mirror calls, messages, and activity. Make sure you stay near the phone during this step, because proximity stabilizes Bluetooth. Wait until the app reports 100% sync. This guarantees that firmware, settings, and data have been transferred completely. You finish by customizing watch faces, alarms, and activity goals inside the app so the device reflects your preferences. Make sure Do Not Disturb settings aren't blocking notifications. If you experience dropouts, reboot the watch and your phone to refresh Bluetooth services. If problems persist, unpair and then repair, or perform a factory reset on the watch as a last resort. But note, resetting erases local data. This troubleshooting step resolves most stubborn pairing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.